Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's monster move, I'm just going to go ahead and delete all these lines out and do some house cleaning. Sure, all those lines pertain, they're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere that could create clutter. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So one of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level, when we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above $3.50. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.50, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation area right here around $3.10. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 350, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are residing, pretty straightforward right now. Several occasions today, the price tried to get up through that 393-ish area and just couldn't quite do it. So that'll be public enemy number one and going into Wednesday. All in all, though, great movement today, great volume. And as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher bases, then just to sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.